Before most people realize what's happening, robots have already stepped out of the background. They're not just building cars or vacuuming floors anymore. They're making decisions in hospitals, exploring places humans can't survive, fighting wars, cooking meals, driving cities, and quietly reshaping how the world works. This isn't one invention or one breakthrough. It's 15 revolutions unfolding at the same time. And together, they're transforming life on Earth faster than anyone expected. This is Fortune File. Here, we dig into the hidden systems shaping the future, peeling back the layers on the tech that's quietly redefining power, progress, and what people are actually capable of. And honestly, this isn't just a story about machines. It's about the new relationship between us and the intelligence we built, and how that changes everything: work, daily life, what it even means to exist. Everywhere you look, invisible code and smart machines are calling more of the shots. Humanoid robots are at the heart of it. These bots, built to move and look like us, aren't just science fair projects anymore. They're showing up in real places: factories, hospitals, offices, public spaces, and they're changing how we deal with technology at the most basic level. The companies leading the charge in AI and robotics are making humanoids that can walk, lift, watch, learn, and react more and more like people. Take Tesla's Optimus. It's designed to handle the boring, tough, or even dangerous jobs. The brains behind it, Tesla's own work in self-driving and neural networks, let it work in human spaces with almost no hand-holding. Then there's Figure 01, a robot that learns by watching people and adapts on the fly, not just running on preset instructions. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a shift from robots as simple tools to robots as real collaborators. But robotics isn't just about machines you can see. On the tiniest scale, we've got nanobots, machines so small you can't spot them with the naked eye, pushing medicine and environmental science somewhere wild. In healthcare, these little guys bring precision we've only dreamed of. Picture them swimming through blood vessels, delivering drugs straight to sick cells and leaving healthy ones alone. In cancer treatment, this could flip the script. Fewer side effects, better results. And it doesn't stop there. Nanobots are in the works for early disease detection, sniffing out trouble at the molecular level. Beyond medicine, these microscopic robots could break down pollutants, clean up dirty water, and keep an eye on delicate ecosystems. As AI and nanotech come together, these systems start to learn, coordinate, and act on their own, which opens up incredible new possibilities, but also some tough ethical questions. Some robots work inside the human body. Others, they're out in deep space. Space robotics has turned into a cornerstone for exploring the cosmos. Take the Canadarm2 on the International Space Station. It's already shown us how robots can do what humans simply can't, especially where it's too risky to send people. Then you've got the Mars rovers like Perseverance, which drive themselves across wild Martian landscapes, run science experiments, and make real decisions with no one around for millions of kilometers. Next up, robots tough enough for frozen oceans on distant moons. These machines aren't just for science. They might build habitats, mine resources, and set up entire worlds before we ever arrive. In a way, they'll be the first to build our off-world neighborhoods. Back on Earth, robotics has changed how wars are fought. Military robots now handle scouting missions, logistics, even combat, taking on dangerous tasks and keeping soldiers out of harm's way. Autonomous drones patrol the skies, robotic vehicles roll through dangerous territory, and underwater machines keep watch in key areas. With AI on board, these systems sift through mountains of data and spot threats way faster than any person. With all this autonomy, though, a big debate is heating up. Who's really responsible when machines make life or death calls? Where do we draw the line? Then there's bionic robotics, where technology meets biology and redefines what people can do. Modern prosthetics can pick up on nerve signals and move almost like natural limbs, giving people real independence. They even learn and adapt over time. Researchers are pushing further, working on ways to restore sight, hearing, and touch, all by hooking directly into the nervous system. The dream? Brain-computer links that blur the line between human and machine. The ocean's deepest places aren't off-limits anymore, thanks to underwater robots. These vehicles dive into crushing darkness, mapping the seafloor and checking out fragile ecosystems. They're vital for studying climate change, tracking marine life, and understanding how our planet works. As AI gets better, these underwater explorers are starting to work on their own, opening up one of Earth's last mysteries. Robots are also moving into our personal lives. Robotic pets and social bots now offer comfort in homes, hospitals, and care centers. They respond to voices, touch, and daily routines, sometimes forming bonds that make us question what connection really means. As these machines get more attuned to our emotions, they could change what companionship looks like in the digital world. Security and surveillance have gone robotic, too. Patrol bots now cover campuses, public spaces, and factories. Packed with sensors and smart software, they keep watch 24/7, spot trouble, and react fast in emergencies. The next step might be whole networks of robots that learn together, making security systems that get smarter over time. Transportation is shifting right in front of us. Self-driving cars and delivery robots rely on AI and robotics to handle busy streets with less help from people. As these systems improve, we're looking at fewer accidents, smoother traffic, and maybe even new ways to design cities. And then there's swarm robotics, a totally new approach inspired by how animals work together. Imagine simple robots teaming up to handle tough jobs, from farming and disaster relief to tracking the environment. As they get better at coordinating, robotic swarms might become must-have tools for tackling big, complicated problems. Wearable robotics, particularly exoskeletons, are enhancing human strength and mobility. These systems help people recover, keep workers safer, and give folks with disabilities a real shot at moving freely again. New materials and smarter AI are making these devices feel less like gadgets and more like natural parts of everyday life. Even kitchens are changing. Robotic chefs can whip up meals with crazy precision. Every burger the same, every garnish just right. It's not just fast food, either. Some high-end places are experimenting with robots, chasing a new kind of perfection. The way we make food is shifting, and it's happening fast. Hospitals are in on this too. Surgical robots already let doctors pull off procedures that used to be impossible, with tiny cuts and pinpoint accuracy. The next wave? Systems that work even more independently, letting experts help patients from miles away thanks to AI and remote tech. Factories and construction zones feel different now. Robots handle the heavy lifting, team up with workers, and even build things on their own. This isn't just about speed, it's changing what work means and how economies run. Really, there's a quiet revolution going on. Robotics, driven by AI, isn't just another tech trend. It's the backbone of medicine, defense, exploration, labor, you name it. As these machines start to think and act on their own, we can't ignore the big questions. Who's in charge? What happens to jobs? Where's the line with privacy? Still, if we steer things the right way, we're looking at a future where humans aren't limited by biology anymore. This isn't the last page for humanity. It's a new chapter. Intelligence, whether it's human or built, will shape what comes next together. If you want to see the future before it hits the news, you're in the right place. This is Fortune File.